Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting your mesh and applying scale so voxel units are predictable. This avoids uneven remesh results. Next, decide whether to use the remesh modifier or the voxel remesh in sculpt mode. Choose the modifier for non-destructive control or sculpt for quick iterations. Enter the chosen mode, then set a starting voxel size or octree depth based on how much detail you need. Smaller voxels keep detail but increase compute time, so match settings to your target. Once done with the initial remesh, refine parameters to preserve the shape. Enable preserve volume to keep silhouette consistency and remove disconnected pieces to clean floating bits. Make sure to use smooth shading and, if available, reproject detail or multi-res bake to transfer fine sculpted features back onto the new topology. Make incremental changes, have the voxel size or bump octree depth, then remesh again, so you can judge performance versus fidelity without losing work. To finish, validate the new topology visually and with normals enabled. Apply the remesh modifier only after you confirm the mesh meets your needs. If you plan to animate, use this remesh as a base for retopology to create edge loops and proper deformation. Finally, decimate or bake maps as needed and export. If you encounter odd artifacts, check normals and non-manifold geometry, then rerun remesh with a slightly larger voxel, or enable remove disconnected pieces to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.